Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I'll be teaching us on how to make a very simple flyer. Okay, I saw the flyer was made using CorelDRAW, but I want to replicate it using Pixellab. Now the flyer was designed with size, is in pixel size. There is 1080, 1080, 1080, 1080, 1080. Okay, so I can just add background color. However, the resources I want to use has its own color already, but let me just put white. Alright, I'll have to bring in the picture, the one made already, so that I will know what I'm working with. Okay, yeah, this is it, but I'll hide it. Yes. Alright, let me bring in the resources now. I've started already. You get it? So like I do say, the best way to learn is for you to always replicate what has been done already. You get it? This is it. So I do tell us that you don't drag from this side. Look what happened. Do you see? You don't drag from that side. You don't drag from this side. Do you get it? You drag from this angle here. Okay, let me drag till it fits in the way I want. You can see that the image has covered the background already. So look at what we're working with. Okay, look at what we're working with. Let me unhide it. What we're working with. Alright. So let me unlock that so that you not move. Okay, the next thing for me to do, what do we have there? We have the laptop on this rectangle box, so I'll work on that right now. Hide, bring in the laptop. The laptop is in PNG format. You get it? So there is no need to clean anything on it. Use it. Okay, then that's, let me lock, then this, color black. Oh, okay. Now inside this laptop, you can always zoom in to see what you are doing. You can always zoom in to see what you are doing. Okay, so alright, so give that color black. That is it. So lock. Alright, the next thing is for our text. So let me see what I'm working with again. What we have here is let me bring to top. We have become a pro designer. Become a pro designer. Okay, we're going to write the text differently. Okay, text. Become. Give it a color. Should I pause the video? so that it will not be too lengthy. Let me pause the video. So I increase the size because that one is bigger than the others. That font, I have the font, but I don't want to use that font. I want to use a common font which we all have in our Pixel app, and the name of this font is Days. The name of this font is Days, but the font used for the original flyer is Monstera. So right, reduce the size. Make it look neat. Make your design look neat. Keep it simple. Okay. This color is yellow. Good. So we can lock. Get it. So what's next? Then for all these text, I will still use the same font Days for the fundamentals and other things. Okay, before then, let me bring in my icon for WhatsApp. Bring it in. Alright, so I'm going to pause the video till I finish typing all that. So until then, okay, now I've done the write up, and remember this is what you're working with. Let me unhide it. See, fundamentals of graphic design, learn CorelDRAW, learn Photoshop, learn smartphone graphics, then the WhatsApp logo and the number. Let me resize this WhatsApp logo. Go to relative size, reduce. I think it's okay like this, and then I adjust it. Alignment, let it be under perfectly. Alignment, I'll still put that dotted some like bullets. I will put that. So the font I'm using for all this is the default font. That is what I use for I'll just use my number for that. Color black. Okay, use the size. So for this font, this is the font I'm using. Just want it to be different a bit. You have it is the default font, this Abezi regular. Okay, use same for here. I'll use same there. You can see for the whole of the design I'm maintaining just 2 fonts. The other ones for those heading become a pro designer is the font Days. Do you get it? Okay, this one I wrote them together. Look at it. I wrote everything together. I just break them down. So now for that, to get this dotted line, what do I have to do? I will draw shape. Let me hide this first. Okay, I will draw shape cycle. Give it black. All I have to do is to duplicate it into 1, 2, 3, 4, into 4. Then I will resize like this to fit in. I have not yet duplicate. I will duplicate when I want to use it now. For each, I think it's okay like that. Okay, perfect. So now for me to duplicate it, all I have to do is to click on it. Either I use copy, look at it there, then I will drag, take it down, increase this for it to go faster. Reduce. So I'll pause the video while I set all that for the rest. Okay, so I'm done with that, those cycle. So let me adjust this. one to have to come this way, and this WhatsApp icon have to adjust a bit. Okay. Alright. Okay. You can lock all this. See. Alright, for this cycle, let us merge them together. Click on this for merge, okay. So we have merged them, they are together now. You get it? So they are together. That this cycle are together now. Look at. Just look at. They are together. Can you see they are together? So I've measured them. Now that is that on the design. Then we can what? Save. I do not use that logo. That is the person's logo. Then what? I do save as PNG like I said, Ultra. Then I save. So once you save, you can find that in your gallery, as you know. So thank you very much.